Okay, start recording. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the help from ChatGPT. So I asked too much questions how to add the one particular apostrophe to Excel sheet, Excel column. I go to several articles. Finally, I just go to ChatGPT. I just chat with the ChatGPT. Finally, I find the answer. So, if anyone not using ChatGPT, is really good AI. So far, how long I don't know. It's going to be free. So as long as it's free, so I am highly recommended to use it and familiar with the program. So earlier I just find out but this one there's some separate problems sort of. And today if I can find the time and date over here, I just copy pasted how to add the dot n tip 000 to next all the variable. So finally I got the answer from ChatGPT. For me, I don't need to get the range like that. Before they mentioned ChatGPT, there is a B double colon B11 to only selected range. So at first I had to put the range over here, then only it's going to be get the result. So from B2 to B12, going to add N000 with the value. For me, finally, I just chat through the chat GDP without giving some spelling mistake also there. Without giving only I need the range selected, so they mentioned like that, so selected that. So after that, I just copy paste it only this code over here to Excel Visual Basic. I knew sometime I'm explaining it's really hard to understand. So suddenly I just remember I got the answer from ChatGPT. No? So now it's a trending topic ChatGPT. So I decided to make it one video how the ChatGPT helped my life to improve Excel VBA. So from here I just go to the recording mode over here, recording mode, which record macros mode. After that, I just go to some site that I just find out. Finally, I got the answer over here. Is I just put the sub in sub, open sub and in sub. So for echo variable, so that means that this one. So for example, if I select the 1995, that means V in select. V means select. V dot value, that value equal to the value dot value V dot value, and that which part you need to add to extra, you want to type it over here and put them in the plus uh, play is going to be a next cell. That means this part is a loop, so it's going to be a loop from here. That's it. So in previous waking time, so there's another method. They need to change it all the number to text format. So I just totally forgot how to do that one. So thank God I got the ChatGPT to help. So all you have to do it like that apostrophe. You have to add the apostrophe like that to all the maybe 1,000, 2,000 like that, 500 like that cell there. For one of my colleague find a way to do that one using Visual Basic and macro. I just totally forgot how to do it, so I just suddenly remember, okay, ChatGPT we can that means number change into text format. So suddenly I just remember ChatGPT. I got the answer from ChatGPT. So which range I selected, I'm going to play. I don't know that one. ChatGPT. Okay, and I can't remember who created ChatGPT for now. Thanks to ChatGPT, my life is easy. So I just in future I don't need to do anything. I just select it all over here. Leave it which is a blank. Okay, I can able to select it one to over here. So sorry. Okay, that's it. I'm going to select it. I'm going to play this one. Why is not? Oh, wait, it's taking time. 336 now. So it's going to work. Now I'm using the VLOOKUP to find the correct name. So if you can find it over here, so that's wrong now. That means it's automatically add the another what you call dot n000. So I don't know how to remove the if any duplicate, if the anything one time is run the command, don't need to run it again like that. I don't know how to do that one. For that in future if I find out, I'm going to make it another video. Okay, so leave it. I'm going to for me I need to change the Ishan something. So business name for me I don't want to that name, so I like to make a visual. So I don't need to go there. Hina. That's the name. It's Hina's correct name. So in easy to I can look up the name. So if I look up everything, I already done it. In here the Excel sheet I download the Excel sheet. Is the name is a Union Bank of Colombo PLC. No? So in the live data from I'm getting from which website, I already mentioned it previous video, investing.com and live data. So I'm getting live data from investing.com, and that data I just by default name like that now. So well, so anyone not using ChatGPT, I highly recommended to use the ChatGPT and familiar with the ChatGPT, how to use the ChatGPT. At least go through it for if you need any question, ask me to say, go to the ChatGPT. For ChatGPT, you need create a user account using your mobile phone, your email, and some password. So just go through several. Yeah, if you delete this one, it's automatically going to remove. For its advantage of ChatGPT, you don't need to ask the same, mention it everything. Like if you ask it previously something, you save it out. You can continue the conversation from where you stop from there. So like that. This will really help me to finish my research. Not a research, is a time pass work. So without ChatGPT, I think still I'm searching now. So time waste. Thanks to ChatGPT. I'm going to make it another video how to use the ChatGPT in the real world. For example, something else. So if anyone asking some problem regarding to computer related in our hometown, so suddenly I can't remember any problem. So for that one, I can't make it any video. Suddenly, it's not pop up on my mind now. So if anything comes up with a problem, anyone came to with a problem, I'm going to ask the ChatGPT. I'm going to make it record. I'm going to upload it. Okay. Thank you.